Today it's the 18th of December 2022. This is Järnbärarvägen 28 here in Bredäng, also in Stockholm, Stockholm, Sweden, with the Neufors Kone modernization here. But I think the basic floor is locked up for. No, it's just not always working.
Yeah.
It was built originally in 1966, or we think it is because 20 to 24 next to this was built 1966.
Yeah.
I don't know if this says in the door, it doesn't say it. Modernized probably in the mid-1990s, with capacity 6 bursts of ASEA-Grahams. I love the sounds in here.
I see.
And the smell is amazing.
Yeah.
It's number is 52827. It's 2 rides. A bit slow, could have been a bit faster though.
Yeah. It's did by his basic thing are very and maintained by his engineer.
But luckily still not generic one.
Yeah.
Come back to the ground floor, entrance floor, entrée. That's in the Swedish because in Finland we would say
Yeah.
in Swedish. So, thank you very much for watching, that's it. First, on the way to the film in Sweden, this on this trip.
That's
Till the 23rd of December.